I'd like to take a moment and explain what TRUEMill is and why this patented technology is so different. If we have 75% of any given tool in the material, well, that's the same as 120 degrees of engagement angle, and this gives us a given load. Well, this is all good until we go around a corner. Now here we can see the engagement angle going from 120 degrees to 160 degrees. And that's why we see our load meters bouncing back and forth like they've been doing for the past 40 years or so. Now if we take that one notch farther, we can see what happens when we go around a 90-degree corner, and we all try and stay away from that. Well, this is what we're used to seeing. Every time we get into one of these areas where we have the little red circles, we see the load meter bouncing up and down. And if you've ever tried cutting into an acute angle triangle, well, you know what that's like. The cutter squeals and jumps, and you just hope it doesn't break. Well, the only solution before was either to 1, slow down, or 2, don't cut as deep. Well, TRUEMill addresses both of those issues because you can cut both deep and fast because the engagement angle is controlled, or how much material is being removed at any one given point. Now, this is what a TRUEMill toolpath looks like. If you look at the graph, anywhere you set the engagement angle, that is where it will stay, or slightly below. You avoid the condition that you see there on the right-hand side. Now, this is one reason why tools last so much longer with TRUEMill and why machines run so smooth with TRUEMill, because you're not beating them up with loads swinging up and down. Let's think about the logic here. First of all, TRUEMill controls the engagement angle. Now what that gives us is a constant chip thickness. If you have a constant chip thickness, you have a constant and controlled load. Remember that heat is the enemy, especially with exotics. So by controlling the load and the chip thickness, you control the heat. This allows you to go deeper, faster, and with less strain on your tools and your machine. TRUEMill allows you to increase your productivity and your bottom line.